So keeping this in the mind, we have to design our circuit. 58, 59 and 00. Mode 60 with 7490, and we know that output of 7490 is in the BCD code. BCD means binary coded decimal. Mode 60, it will count from 00 to 59. If we write it in the BCD, then it will be like 0000, 0000 to 0101, 1001. So from 0000 to 101, 1001. So keeping this in the mind, we have to design our circuit. It is IC1, IC2. We'll provide the clock pulse from 555 IC. This IC should be connected in a stable mode. So the clock pulse will be connected to pin number 14. These 5 pins are connected to the ground. Pin number 5 will be connected to the plus 5 volt, and pin number 1 and 12, these two will be connected together. The output pins are pin number 12, 9, 8 and 11. And to see the output, we have to connect the LEDs. And the cathode pins are connected to the ground. This is output A, B, C and D. The clock input pins is pin number 14, and we will get clock pulse from pin number 11. Pin number 1 and 12 is connected together. This is output A. Then pin number 9, 8 and 11. With the pin number 9, we have to connect pin number 2, and with the pin number 8, we have to connect pin number 3. This will be output B, C and D. Now we'll see this circuit on the breadboard. IC 7490, 74901, 74902, and these are the resistors and the LED. Negative pin of the LED is connected to the negative rail. So it is the positives and negative for IC1 and IC2. Connecting pin 1 and 12, and for IC2, pin 2 and 9, pin 3 and pin 8. Now I am connecting pin number 11 of IC1 to the pin 14 of IC2. It is clock output and it is connected to clock input to the IC2. Now connect the outputs. Here is A, that is pin number 12. 9 is B, so it is connected to B. Pin number 8 is C. D is pin 11. Now I will provide clock pulse to pin number 14 of IC1. This 555 is connected in a stable mode. Now the output is taken from pin number 3, and with the output I have connected a push button switch, and I will connect this after the switch to the pin 14 of IC1. So whenever I push this switch, then the clock pulse will be received by this IC. Connecting all the positives and negative rails. Now I am connecting the power supply. Here is negative and the positive. It is generating the clock pulses, and if I push this switch, it is getting the clock pulse. So it is 51, 52, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 00. So after 59, it will count from 000. So after 59 it will count from 0 0 and is 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20, and like this it will run. So this is the mode 60 counter, and again we'll see. Okay, so this is how this mode 60 counter works. Now if you want to add the display, then you need 7447 for common anode display, and for common cathode display you have to use 7448, and I already explained this to IC, link in the description below. Just you have to connect this ABCD to the input of that 7447 and 7448. Here is IC 7447. This is common anode display, and these are A, B, C, D, E, F, G. These are display pins, and the inputs are A, B, C, D. These are input pins. So these input pins will be connected to the output of 7490. So as we know, this 12 is A. So here it is A, means it is pin number 12, then B it is pin number 9, then 8, and then 11. And if you want to use common cathode display, then you must use 7448 IC, and I already explained about this 2 IC, link in the description below. Now we'll see this display connection on the breadboard. Instead of LEDs, we'll use display. Common anode display, connecting current limiting resistor for the display, putting the 7447, connecting positives and negative and other connections. As it is common anode, so the common pin should be connected to the positive rail. Display is connected. Now I have to connect the output of this IC to the input of this IC. As you know, the A, that is pin number 12, it is connected to pin number 7. B, that is, it is connected to pin number 1 of 7447. C is pin number 8, and it is connected to pin number 2. And D, that is pin number 11, it is connected to pin number 6. So these are the 4 ABCD. So connection is done. Now here it is negative, and here it is positive. Now I am pushing the switch, and like this it will count up to 59, and then it will be 0 0. 57, 58, 59 and 0 0. So like this the circuit works. So guys, this is all about the mode 60 counter using 7490. Thanks for watching.